Well, somewhere banking authorities are showing belief in the potential of cryptocurrency, and somewhere else, cryptocurrency seems to be losing its only stability, its peg, and that too again and again. Hello everyone and welcome back to Coinmonks. This is Shambhavi with you again for another dose of fresh updates. Starting up with the headlines. Kazakhstan's central bank chairman believes in the potential of cryptocurrency. Stablecoin loses peg yet again. Prudential Insurance is all set to plan a crypto push. And UK to test blockchain technology in traditional market activities. Starting off first, the National Bank of Kazakhstan's chairman, Galzamya Primatov, says that it aims to extract the profit from technologies the cryptocurrency market could provide. He made the statement during a press conference on June 7. The chairman, who stated that the bank is eager to explore the possibility and potential of crypto, says, I don't think that National Bank is a latecomer. Like many other banks and financial regulators across the globe, we are watching closely and researching the question, that is, of crypto potential. While emphasizing that Kazakhstan Central Bank wants to extract maximum profits from the innovative potential crypto offers, Primatov pointed out that it is too early to speak about crypto legalization. While he commented on reservations about the risk to macroeconomic stability, Primatov also re-emphasized that the bank is not going to ignore the crypto market ecosystem. His statement came against the backdrop of the National Bank's ongoing central bank digital currency project. The National Bank of Kazakhstan had earlier said its plan to present the results of the CBDC study to stakeholders in July 2022. According to sources, the bank plans to announce its methodology on a digital tench by June end. The final decision on implementing the central bank digital currency will reportedly be made in accordance with methodology before the end of 2022. In May this year, the Kazakhstan parliament made amendments to the National Tax Code, which suggested connecting a crypto mining tax tied to electricity prices consumed by mining entities. Kazakhstan is one of the largest mining market in the world and generated approximately $1.5 million of state earning from mining in Q1 2022. Next up, the value of the stablecoins USDT and USDC falls by a significant amount. Earlier in May, USD lost its peg twice and its value dropped by 56% in 24 hours. It raised questions in the market about the stability that these stablecoins actually have. It was followed by the Luna's downfall, when the currency lost almost 99% of its value. On June 6, a similar event occurred on the Oasis network when USDT and USDC depegged and the value fell to $0.12. The price of USDT could only bounce back to $0.51, but USDC's price went up to $0.98. This downfall has caused tension amongst the users, and a few have questioned the suspicious fall in the value of the stablecoins only in the Oasis network. The Oasis is a blockchain platform that is privacy enabled for open finance. According to the data collected from DeFi Llama, the TVL of the Oasis network plummeted from $214.25 million to $67.41 million, and the downfall began on June 4. Many are guessing that the lack of liquidity could be the cause of such crash. In the last 24 hours, the value of protocol has gone down by 45.67%. And now moving on to our next update. Multiple blockchain utilization instances are being incorporated in banking industry right now, varying from customer-facing payment technology to trading and exchange services. While the insurance sector lags behind banking in terms of technology adoption, it is distinctly placed to profit from blockchain technology. Prudential Finance, the American Fortune Global 500 and Fortune 500 subsidiary companies that offer insurance, planning for retirement, investment management, and other services, has launched 10 trademark applications to enter the metaverse and the realm of non-fungible tokens. The insurer filed 10 trademark applications with the United States Patent and Trademark Office relating to NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain technology. Prudential's iconic The Rock Asset Management subsidiary PGIM, its ticker PRU, and the Rock logo have all registered trademark applications. Prudential has been experimenting with blockchain technology for a long time. The trademark applications for NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and metaverse, on the other hand, demonstrate the company's interest in cutting edge technologies. As crypto adoption grows, the company's standpoint on digital asset has shifted. Michael Condulis, a trademark attorney, announced the news on Twitter earlier today. Prudential insurance and financial service for the metaverse and virtual world. The hype surrounding the metaverse has attracted a slew of businesses, celebrities, and investors. According to the filing, Prudential will be covering financial transaction services involving cryptocurrencies, NFTs, plus blockchain technology, virtual insurance and financial services for metaverse plus virtual environment, providing financial information about decentralized finance, NFTs plus digital, virtual, and cryptocurrencies. Many existing insurance companies face competitive challenges such as poor customer improvement, slow growth in established markets, and digitalization trends which blockchain can resolve. By automating critical functions, the more encouraging insurance related use cases can be, enabling growth, increasing effectiveness, and lowering cost. And now, winding up with one last coverage for today, the United Kingdom is expected to begin live testing of blockchain technology for conventional marketing operations such as stock and bond trading and settlement as a part of an attempt to become a global crypto hub. Utilizing distributed ledger technology, which facilitates crypto assets, is a major objective for marketing finance and market infrastructure more inventive and effective for users. As per Cuneth Nurse, the Ministry Director General for Finance Services, Nurse says that UK plans to develop a sandbox for testing DLT projects within its financial sector infrastructure next year. The government might also want to see if trading and settlement can be combined. A sandbox will be enabled market participants to try out new regulatory best practices and make structural changes, Nurse said at an annual IDX derivative conference in London. This is a framework that UK government spearheaded in terms of developing fintech companies. A sandbox, for example, is a testing environment for projects that involve real clients. Nurse stated that Finance Ministry and Bank of England will collectively analyze the digital pound later this year, following a second consultation process. A digital pound will not be accessible until the second half of the next decade, according to Nurse, if a central bank digital currency is authorized. So, with this, we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, do let us know in the comment sections below. For instructions, reviews, and tutorial, you may visit our blog, which is linked right below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.